Traveling as a woman over 60 can be an empowering and enriching experience, offering new perspectives and adventures. Whether you're planning to travel on a budget, explore solo, or determine what to pack, these tips are designed to make your journey more enjoyable and worry-free. First, to travel on a budget, start by planning ahead. Look for discounted flights, off-peak travel times, and consider accommodation alternatives such as vacation rentals, hostels, or even house-sitting opportunities. Be sure to take advantage of senior discounts on transportation, hotels, and entry fees to attractions. Additionally, travel insurance is essential, and it is advisable to compare different plans to find one that offers the best coverage at a reasonable price. Opt for public transportation over taxis and dine at local eateries instead of high-end restaurants to save money. Second, choosing the right destination for solo travel is crucial. Some of the best places for women over 60 to travel alone include Japan, New Zealand, Ireland, and Canada. These countries are known for their safety, friendly locals, and excellent infrastructure for tourists. Research each destination thoroughly. Prepare a loose itinerary and always inform someone you trust about your plans. Engaging in group tours or classes can also provide a sense of community and security while allowing you to meet like-minded travelers. Lastly, packing smart is essential for a hassle-free trip. Focus on versatile, comfortable clothing that can be layered to adapt to varying climates. Include essential items such as a good pair of walking shoes, travel-sized toiletries, a reusable water bottle, and any necessary medications with clearly labeled prescriptions. Don't forget important documents such as your passport, travel insurance details, and emergency contact information. A lightweight scarf and a compact umbrella can also be beneficial. Using packing cubes can help you stay organized, and a small backpack or crossbody bag will keep your hands free and essentials within reach. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to a memorable and enjoyable journey. Bon voyage!